Ansi, a really useful Italian word that can substitute a lot of words and meanings in English. But what does it mean? And when do we use it? To understand what it means, let's look at it first in some example sentences in English. See if you can figure out what it means in each sentence. Would you like a drink? I'll have a coffee, please. Ansi, I'll have a tea. So what does Ansi mean in this sentence? Can you figure it out? I'll have a coffee. Ansi, I'll have a tea. Here, Ansi is being used to correct or to modify something that we've just said. In this particular example, it's being used to express a change of mind. I'll have a coffee. Actually, on second thoughts, Ansi, I'll have a tea. Prendo un caffè. Ansi, prendo un tè. Number 2. Mario isn't stupid. Ansi, he's very intelligent. Can you figure out what Ansi means in this sentence? Mario isn't stupid. Ansi, he's very intelligent. Here, Ansi is being used after a negative sentence to correct it and then to state the opposite. Mario isn't stupid. Actually, quite the opposite. Ansi, he's very intelligent. Mario non è stupido. Anzi, è molto intelligente. In this type of sentence, Ansi can stand alone, without the need for a correction. Mario non è stupido. Ansi. Mario isn't stupid. Quite the opposite, in fact. You could complete the sentence by saying è molto intelligente, but there's no need to if you don't want to. Let's take a look at another use of Ansi. See if you can figure out what it means. Mario is very clever. Ansi, he's a genius. Mario is very clever. Ansi, he's a genius. Any ideas? Ansi is being used here to introduce a second part to the sentence that emphasises or intensifies what was said in the first part. Mario is very clever. Ansi, he's a genius. Notice how very clever in the first part of the sentence has been changed to genius and has therefore been intensified. This is like saying Mario is very clever. Actually, now that I think about it, he's more than very clever. He's a genius. Mario è molto intelligente. Anzi, è un genio. Number 4. Do you mind if I open the window? No. Anzi. Any ideas? Here, Ansi means not at all. Of course not. Ti dispiace se apro una finestra? No, anzi. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up as it helps the channel.